Good morning class. Today in this video I will continue line wise explanation of the chapter The Thief's Story. But I knew that Anil's face when he discovered the theft would show only a touch of sadness. Now after thinking the reaction of different people when they are robbed, he started thinking about Anil. He thought when Anil will come to know about the theft, then he will not be sorry for the loss of money, but he will be sorry for the loss of trust, because he had blind trust on Hari Singh. Not for loss of money, but for loss of trust. He was thinking that Hari Singh did not give much, Anil did not give much importance to money, so he will not be sad for the loss of money when he will came to know about the theft. He will be sad over the loss of trust, because he had blind trust upon Hari Singh. I found myself in the Maidan and sat down on a bench. While walking through the market, he reached to a field. There was a bench in that field, and Hari Singh sat down on the bench and he was thinking what to do. The night was chilly and it was early November. Now he is mentioning the season. He says that it was November, month of November. So it was a winter season and cold and chill wind was blowing. A light drizzle added to my discomfort. It means a small drops of rains were also falling, and that increased the problem of Hari Singh. Drizzle means here light rain. Soon it was raining quietly. First it started raining with a small drops, and after some time big drops also began to fall from the sky. My shirt and pajamas stuck to my skin. Hari Singh is telling that his shirt and pajamas got wet, and due to the wet they stuck to the skin of the Hari Singh, and cold wind blew the rain across my face, and the wind was also blowing very fast, and along with the wind raindrops were also falling directly on the face of Hari Singh, and Hari Singh was sitting on a bench in the Maidan and he was thinking what to do. He was in great dilemma. I went back to Bazaar and sat down in the shelter of clock tower. When Hari Singh found that the rain would not stop, then he again went to the Bazaar, and there was a clock tower, and under the shelter, under the shade of the clock tower, he sat down to escape from the rain, because outside it was raining heavily. The clock showed midnight, and when he looked at the clock that was hanging on the top of the tower, that clock was showing that it was midnight. It means it was 12 o'clock at night. I felt for notes. When he looked at the clock, he found the time, it was 12 o'clock. Then he started thinking about the bundles of notes which he had kept in the waist of his pajamas, tied by the string of the pajamas. They were damp. It means bundles of notes got wet from the raindrops, rainwater. Anil's money. Then he thought that it was not his money, the money which he had stolen from Anil, so it is the Anil's money. In the morning he would probably have given me 2 or 3 rupees to go to the cinema. Now Hari Singh was thinking what would happen in the morning, and he thought that Hari Singh Anil woke up in the morning, and he would give him 1 or 2 or 3 rupees to Hari Singh, and he will say him, go and enjoy the cinema.